Hello, in front of me I have ULEFONE Power 3S, and I'm gonna show you how to perform the hard reset from the settings on this device. Let's start by opening the app menu, and to do it, tap right here on this icon. Now scroll down and tap on settings. Once in settings, let's scroll down and select backup and reset. Here tap on factory data reset, then tap reset phone, and tap erase everything to confirm and start the resetting process. And at this point the hard reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.